you are right.
Sir, ਤੁਸੀਂ great ਹੋ.
Today you have a speaking session, and you know for the last few days you are going through some listening sessions, and I always tell you that what is the importance of listening and where you should focus at the time of listening, like your pronunciation, like your intonation, like your stresses upon the words or in the sentences, in the words or in the sentence. You know there are two types of stresses. वर्ड्स के ऊपर भी स्ट्रेस होते हैं. एग्जामिनेशन, अब देखो स्ट्रेस कहाँ रहा है, सुनो. एग्जामिनेशन, स्ट्रेस का मतलब ज्यादा जोर कहाँ आ रहा है. एग्जामिनेशन, एग्जामिनेशन, नेशन, दो सिलेबल हो गए इसमें, तो दो में नेशन वाले पे ज्यादा जोर आ रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड वर्ड स्ट्रेस. उसी तरीके से हम जब बोलते हैं तो शब्दों के ऊपर भी स्ट्रेस हम देते हैं. आई एम टीचर, टीचर, टीचर के ऊपर स्ट्रेस आ रहा है. समझ में आ गई बात आपको? तो ऐसे आपको फोकस करना, ये चीजें होती हैं जो बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द इंटोनेशन और stresses or like accent and like the like your pronunciation. Suppose, so there are so many things that you have to improve. So if you want to use this language in a way that people would say you that yes, yeah, this is English, very nice English. So I always say it. So this is your topic today, that what do you understand by listening, and how you should improve yourselves at the time of listening, what you should do. Like what you should do means you should be careful, you should be focused, you should be concentrated what is being said. So like this, what do you think about it? This is a topic for today. So, and I think I have started getting names. So many names I have got. Yes, Anuj, now only in English.
Sir, tell me again what is
Listening. This is the main thing of
important.
English speaking. Listening. And what is consisted in listening? Listening means pronunciation, listening means intonation, listening means accent. When you listen to someone, then such types of things must be followed. Means you should have the focus on intonation, you should have the focus of on stresses of on the words or in the sentences, on different words or into the words. You should have an accent. So like that. And how can you improve these all things? By your focus, by your determination, by your interest, by your carefulness. So this is so. If someone reads wrongly, like I have many times some examples of Anjali and Garvit, they do not try to read the particular word, but actively, अब उसने बोल दिया activate, अब activity, if he tries to read that word properly, carefully, definitely he can do it. So this is a habit, we should have it. So I am starting with Anuj. Would you like to speak first?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on, Anuj. And in limited time, you have to speak. Yes, come on.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is like the importance of listening. We all have been learning English here for a long time, since a long time, and we all faces different types of. We all suffer from different types of paths here, and here. And there are some ways of learning this language, like we can it can be learned by speaking, listening, writing, or reading. So listening is one of the most important in this, because it also covers your quality in punctuation, pronunciation, intonation, the accent in which that is being done or being spoken. And yeah, so whenever you are listening someone in any language, so always and here in English, so always be focused, be determined, and carelessly, don't be carelessly, and
डोंट बी केयरलेस.
don't be careless.
एडजेक्टिव
Yes,
आएगा
sir.
यहाँ पर, केयरलेसली तो एडवर्ब हो जाएगा. हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir. And always have a priority to learn this language. And whenever you are here, you should not think about anything. You should completely being here.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And this is how you can improve your listening. That's it.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया करने लगा है बेटा. थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस रखो खुद के ऊपर, है ना. हमने अच्छा किया है तो हमें लगना चाहिए कि यस यार आई हैव डन इट. ये होता है सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. यस, कम ऑन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Sir, what's the time limit?
नो टाइम लिमिट.
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya and today I am giving my views on listening and the importance of listening. As we all know that reading, writing, listening and speaking, these are the four directions of any language, and also these can be termed as skills. So today I am telling on the skill of listening. That is very important in our life, because a good listener can be a good speaker. And because if you don't listen anyone or anything, you will not become a good speaker. You will not be able to speak nicely in front of anyone.
शाबाश.
And so to improve speaking, we have to focus on listening. But listening is a type of art. Like in this you can find many things, so to improve your listening, first of all, the thing is to focus on what is being said, and then try to find the stresses on the words that are spoken. Like some words are stressed by someone who is speaking, so it means that the speaker is giving importance to the stressed words.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. नाइस.
And like yes, and also like there are in any good speaking, there are different intonations in the speaking, and also gaps between words, phrases and clauses, and also in sentences. So and the one thing that is most important, that the way of your speaking and the speed of your speaking, that is very important, because the slow speed and fast speed is not good. We have to focus on a normal speed, so to make our listening more effective, and so to make our listening good in terms of finding intonations, and understanding the meanings that what is being said, there are certain things in which we have to improve, like concentration, focus, and these are the most important things on which you have to focus, so that you can improve your listening. So that's it.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. वेरी गुड बेटा. यस, हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Harshit More and here, and today's my topic is listening and the importance of listening. So, listening is very important in our life if we want to be a good speaker, because we know very well that speaking is a key or a tool that may take us to a high level. Like if we do speaking, then we may know about the things that are in the ground, or we may come to know about the vocabulary that is being used while the speaker is speaking his or her views. And we must know that speaking is very important for us, because it teaches us how to keep the things in our mind, and how can we determine the meaning of certain words by looking at the nearer words. And we must know that to be a good speaker, we must be a good listener, so that we may have the points of other, and we know that sometimes there are group discussions and also these types of things where we have to keep the things of others in our mind so that we may either oppose them or we may we may be in their favor. So we may see that nowadays these exams are being conducted to check if a person is able to speak and put his views, and if he or she is hesitating on anything. And we may see that there is very uh, there is much use of listening in the higher examinations and also in our day to day life. For example, if we are talking or communicating with someone, and at the time we have to focus on his or her things in order to make our communication effective. And we must also know that communication makes our relationships and our bonds better by our words and also by the listening. And and according to me, the problem that I face while I do listening is sometimes I don't know the meaning of certain words, which I'm not, which sometimes I'm not able to find from the near sentences or words. So, in my view, at last, I would like to say that we must be a good listener in order to be a good speaker. That's it, sir.
क्या बात, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन गौरव.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा, अच्छे से बेटा, थोड़ा सा
Yes, sir.
एक्सेंट पे फोकस करना, थोड़ा सा ऐसे नहीं फिसलता हुआ सा बोले बेटा, एक्सेंट पे, इंटोनेशन पे. समझ गया ना बेटा? अब तो तू समझदार है, एक बार में इशारे में
Sure.
समझ जाता है. बस हाँ, बोल अच्छे से.
So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is the importance of listening. So, there are always three directions of an language, like writing, reading, speaking, and listening. Sorry, there are four. My mistake. And also, but one of the most important, well, all are important, but one of the most important is listening. Because if we don't listen to anyone, we can't improve ourselves and our vocabulary about speaking. So we can't speak very fluently and not so perfectly because we cannot improve our vocabulary without listening. Because just imagine that you are watching a foreign news channel or
सामने देख के बोला करो,
a foreign video.
ऐसे बिल्कुल सामने देख के बोला करो, ऐसे बिल्कुल ऐसे हिला मत करो बहुत ज्यादा. बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक करो अपनी थोड़ी. हाँ, सामने देख के बोलो, थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करो बॉडी.
Yes, sir. So, imagine you are watching a English news channel or foreign video or something. So if you listen it carefully, you can discover new words and their meaning by their body and intonations, and you can improve yourself about the gaps and the pauses of commas and full stop, and also you can improve your vocabulary. And after you, if you listen to yourself and find the mistakes you have made, so you can also improve them to improve your speaking and improve them again. It's the cycle that will move you to the perfection.
शाबाश,
That's it. Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. और बेटा बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक करो थोड़ा सा. सामने ही देखना होता है, इधर उधर नहीं देखना होता है कभी भी. समझ गया बेटा? बस बिल्कुल एकदम से ऐसे बैठा करो, स्टिल होकर के, ऐसे नहीं. थोड़ा ठीक करो बेटा, कोशिश करो बेटा थोड़ा सा, है ना, आगे यूजफुल रहेगी ये चीज. हमारा कहीं इंटरव्यू चल रहा होगा, कहीं कुछ हम बोल रहे होंगे खड़े होकर के, तो हमको सामने ऑडियंस की तरफ देखना पड़ेगा. ये जो पर्सन हमारा, द पर्सन हु इज टेकिंग आवर इंटरव्यू, वी हैव टू लुक एट इट. इधर उधर हम देखेंगे तो वो मामला खराब हो जाएगा. कोशिश करना है, ठीक है? वेरी नाइस स्पीकिंग, कीप इट अप. जो कहता जाऊं उसको ठीक करते जाओ बस. कम ऑन Garvit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Ravi Dharma. Today's topic is the importance of language. Language is important in our life.
अरे लैंग्वेज की बात नहीं की थी हमने, लिसनिंग की बात कर रहे हैं हम. लैंग्वेज कहां से आ गया? नेक्स्ट टाइम आओ आप, थोड़ा सा और सुनो अभी लोगों को. यू आर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट द टॉपिक. आर यू क्लियर और नॉट?
सर क्लियर।
तो बोलो
सर वो गलती से
कोई बात
लैंग्वेज और
बोल 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 और
यस
माइक को
सर
उसको कैमरे को थोड़ा सेट कर, तेरी शक्ल दिखाई दे। हाँ अब बोल और अच्छे से बोलना, थोड़ा फोकस करके।
यस सर यस सर माय नेम yes sir my name is Garvit and my today's topic is the importance of listening. Listening is very important. Without listening we could not improve our vocabulary. Someone introduced their thoughts and views to us that we don't listen. We do. बोल तो सही रहा है लेकिन तेरी आवाज कट रही है, इसको ठीक कर गया। वाईफाई के पास जाके बैठ, 2 मिनट के बाद आजा फटाफट से, ठीक होके फिर बुलवाऊंगा मैं तेरे को। ठीक कर इसको, नहीं आवाज सही नहीं आ रही, वाईफाई कहाँ लगा हुआ उसके पास जाके बैठो। यस ठीक नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी आवाज, ठीक करो इसको, आवाज को ठीक करके आओ। कोमल ठीक कर गया बेटा फटाफट से?
यस सर।
हाँ गौरव ठीक कर, गर्वित फटाफट से ठीक करके आओ फिर बुलाऊंगा। कोमल बोलो।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11 and today our topic is listening. We all know that if we have to learn something, we also listen carefully, then we can do our work correct. And we all know that if we have to learn some language like Hindi, English, etc. So we have some work like we have to do practice and self work, etc. And there are some parts like reading, writing, speaking, listening, etc. All parts are very important to learn English English language and others also. And listening is very important because if we listen correct, then we do our work also correct. And like we can take example like sir give us topic at this time, and if we don't listen that topic, then we can't speak correct, and we have no concentration, and we have no we have no we can't focus on that topic, so our speaking also don't be correct. So we should listen carefully, and we all know that writing is also important, reading and speaking was also important, but listening is very important, and we all know that we have to focus and concentrate, and concentration and dedication all also important to listen and writing all etc. And we all know that sometimes we have no focus that time, we can't listen carefully, so we have some issues to do some work, that time we have to clear topic that time, so we can learn things that so we can learn things correctly. And we all know that listening, if we are good listener, we can speak correctly. And if we have to if we have some topic to listen, writing, etc. So first of all we have to listen carefully, that after that we can write and speaking correctly. And we all know that sometimes we have some listening session, and that time we have to making notes, and that thing is very important, and that time we can write down some hard words, and we can solve our hard words, and that time we know about that words and that meanings, etc. So listening is very important, and we have to listen carefully about our subject, about our language, so that we can do our work correct. And we have to perfection in our all.
We have to get, we should be perfect.
Okay, sir. We
हाँ,
should be
पूरा वर्ब
perfect.
फॉर्म पे वर्ब में गड़बड़ कर जाते हो कभी कभी, उसको थोड़ा फोकस करो वर्ब को। हाँ,
Okay, sir. So we have to be get.
वी हैव टू गेट, बी क्यों लगा रहे हो यहाँ पर?
We have to get perfection in our listening, writing, and speaking, etc. That's it, sir.
शाबाश। तबीयत ठीक नहीं क्या आज तुम्हारी?
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ?
Sir, cold fever हो रहा है.
चल अब तू छुट्टी कर ले, रेस्ट कर जाके, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
रेस्ट कर।
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
शुरू बेटा, गर्वित आजा। अभी तक नहीं आया क्या? ठीक हो गए?
सर आ गया।
आजा आजा, और फोकस कर बेटा, थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलने की कोशिश कर बेटा, बोल बेटा।
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. My today's topic is listening. Listening is very important.
नहीं आ रही आवाज, कट रही है बहुत ज्यादा आवाज, बहुत ज्यादा आवाज कट रही है तुम्हारी बेटा, आई नहीं रही, बिल्कुल स्टिल हो गया। ठीक कर इसको। हाँ
सर आ रही है क्या अब?
आ रही है, बोल।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Garvit. Today's topic is listening. Listening is very important in our life. Without listening, we could not improve our speaking and vocabulary.
शाबाश शाबाश, छोटे
आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है, बोलता रहे तू।
Yes, sir. With the help of listening, we like he and she introduce her his and her
तो पीपल यूज कर लेना
things.
इसकी जगह, ही और शी क्यों यूज कर रहा है? बोल।
Yes, sir. People say our thing to us and views, and without listening, we could not learn what they. We could not listen what they speak. We could not understand what they speak, and with the help of listening, we can. Listening is not important in the English. Listening is important in the subject science, Hindi, social science, etc. With like teacher teach one chapter in Hindi or English, and we listen quite and focus so we can learn one time. That's it, sir. At last I say we have to practice on listening. Yes, sir. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है। तो ऐसी रहा कर, थोड़ी देर ठीक हो जाएगा, फिर वही पता नहीं क्या बहरूजी आ जाते हैं तेरे में। और थोड़ा सेंटेंसेस पे और फोकस कर थोड़ा सा, अभी वर्ड्स पे फोकस कर थोड़ा सा बेटा, कर ले थोड़ा सा अभी। हाँ यस अनु।
यस सर। सर मेरे को कैमरा बंद करके बोलना पड़ेगा?
कोई बात नहीं, बोल दे बेटा।
ओके सर। हेलो, लिसनिंग।
आवाज कट रही है तुम्हारी, नहीं आ रही साफ आवाज।
टू लर्न।
योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर। बोल बोल बेटा, आवाज कट रही है, आवाज सही नहीं आ रही। पहले तो सही आ रही थी, बैठ गए तुम हैं?
सर वहीं जाके बैठी हूँ जहाँ पे पहले थी।
अब बोल।
Hello everyone, my today's topic is listening. Listening is very important for us. As you know, there are 3 stages of listening. First, listening in English. First listening, second reading, and third speaking. We have to practice all stages, but most important is listening. Because we can't speak or read English without listening. We can listen many things in English, like if we go in aeroplanes or we find
we find the staff speaking English,
Hmm.
and they speak, but we have to listen.
Hmm.
And if we have listening practice, we can where, where
तो आवाज कट रही है तुम्हारी।
there are many subjects in which English use, like in social science,
English is used.
only Hindi and Sanskrit are the subject in which English do not use.
English is not used बेटा, क्या कर रही है? पैसे वो इसमें बनेगा वो सेंटेंस।
English not used.
English is not used, पूरा बोलो।
Not
हाँ, ध्यान दे थोड़ा सा फॉर्म पे, फोकस कर थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस पे, वर्ड ऑर्डर पे। हाँ बेटा आवाज कट रही है।
subject. English are spoken or
Is spoken। क्या हो रहा है तेरे को? हाँ
spoken, and we also have
हाँ बेटा आवाज सही नहीं आ रही तेरी, कट रही है बेटा, आवाज ठीक करके आ तू, मैं दोबारा बुलाऊंगा तेरे को, नहीं मजा नहीं आ रहा, आवाज सही नहीं आ रही तेरी। बेटा वाईफाई लगवाने के बाद तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आनी चाहिए बेटा, ये क्या कुछ गड़बड़ लगा है, कुछ वो ठीक ढंग से काम नहीं कर रहा, उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है दिखाओ जरा। आदित्य।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donat and I am the student of Rambat Online Interactive Classes from E20. Today's our topic is listening. As you know that our sir speak any topic and we listen and we
स्पीक नहीं
make
सर।
notes.
अच्छा, स्पीक्स ऑन एनी टॉपिक, पूरा सेंटेंस बना के बोल, बीच में ठीक करने लगे ना फिर छोड़ने लगे बीच बीच में, फिर पोजीशन को ध्यान दे थोड़ा। हाँ थोड़ा
Sir
धीरे धीरे
speaks
बोल,
any
आराम से बोल,
topic.
फोकस कर, नाप तोल के बोल बोल।
Yes, sir. And we make notes and sir speak only for our listening to upgrade our listening power, and this is very useful because we go any interview, we any and the in charge and the main man says we say so many things which is very important, and we don't listen that things and instructions.
इफ लगाओ ना,
We
इफ
don't.
वी डोंट लिसन, इफ लगेगा ना बेटा, अगर हम उनकी
If
बातों को
we
ध्यान से
don't.
नहीं सुनेंगे। हाँ ऐसे पकड़ो चीजों को, बोलो। हाँ
If we don't carefully listen that things, they become harmful for our business and in our, and our life, because that instructions help us in our business and how to this thing and other, and how to talk about our chief manager, our manager of this of that company. And listening is that thing
which पुणे
which
फोकस कर थोड़ा, ऐसे नहीं बेटा। हाँ बोल।
which change our life, and we listen anything carefully and make notes, and some like we anyone say any topic, say about any topic, and we do any other work, so and we don't listen that thing, the and
if
suddenly
if
if we don't
हाँ
listen carefully, and that person ask any question about related to that topic,
और थोड़ा क्लियर करो अभी।
that
हाँ फ्रेम ठीक करो। हाँ
and we can't reply answer, so
आंसर की जरूरत नहीं,
so
रिप्लाई कर दिया ना अपन ने, वी कांट रिप्लाई, आंसर उसी में आ गया ना बेटा। हाँ बोल।
we can't reply of that thing, that and that person punish us, and this is very that and listening is a power of key that
Power of key है, key of power.
key of power which never come again. And we we uh, we listen now time and we can do anything in our life. Yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, अच्छा करने लगा तो सब कुछ बढ़िया है। थोड़ा सा सेंटेंसेस पे फोकस किया करो और एक बार अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुना करो। तो जब आप सुनोगे ना तो आपको खुद पता चलने लग जाएगा कि हाँ यार यहाँ पर मैंने गलती की है, नेक्स्ट टाइम उनको ठीक करोगे आप। ठीक है, बाकी सब बढ़िया, थॉट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, थोड़ा सेंटेंसेस पे फोकस करो आप। जहाँ बीच बीच में बोलता हूँ थोड़ा ध्यान दो, है ना बेटा, कोशिश करो बेटा थोड़ा सा। यस अनवी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My sir, आवाज
आ रही है बेटा, बोलती रहो। हाँ,
Hello, everyone. My today's topic is listening. As you know, listening is very important for us. There are four main stages of English. First listening, second reading, and third speaking, and fourth vocabulary. We know if we listen to anyone, we get knowledge of, of anything. Like we also have to listen ourselves. If we listen ourselves, we find mistakes. If we listen, we can write our mistakes.
we can correct our mistakes.
We can correct our mistakes. As you know, in every Indian transport English is spoken by the if we can't listen it, we so we get nothing. Or if we listen it, we get many things. Some people thought that they speak, so they speaking is not okay, sir. Not everything. There are many things to practice, not speaking only. Saying that speaking we don't want to do speaking. We also have to do speaking, but we have to do everything in limit. At the last, I want to say, listen, everyone, you get many things if you listen anyone. So that's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस, बट तुम्हारी ऑडियो क्वालिटी को ठीक करो बेटा, ये सारा मजा खराब कर देती है ऑडियो, इसको ठीक करो बेटा। अब तो तुम्हारे वाईफाई भी लग गया, दिखाओ क्या बात है, क्यों ये प्रॉपरली नहीं आ पा रहा है ना बेटा। तो बेटा करो बेटा इसको। यस नाउ अंजू।
Okay, sir.
हाँ बेटा, अंजू सो गई क्या? है ही नहीं यहाँ पे। और ये कौन है 67? कौन है ये कौन सा नाम है 67? अंजू कहाँ है? अंजू
सर गौरव भैया ने लिखा है 67।
अरे अंजू कहाँ है? अंजू नहीं है क्या? सो गई क्या?
सर मैं आऊँ।
कहाँ है तो बोलती क्यों नहीं? कहाँ गई थी तू? बोल अब, चल बोल, चालू कर, बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. Sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is importance of listening.
शाबाश, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से फोकस करके नाप पकड़ के बोल। हाँ,
You know that listening is important in our life, and without listening, we can't speak English or speak English. Yeah, you know that there are three parts of English. One is listening, second is reading, and third is speaking. Without
Without listening, we can't read and we can't speak, because if we do not know the words or vocabulary, so we can't read. And if we can't speak without listening, because we do not know the pronunciation of any word on anything, so we can't speak English. So these are the three types, and how English is useful in three types. I'm and you know that there are too many you too many media channels, like news channel, YouTube, etc. etc. Some and some videos come in English. If we can't
some
understand,
नहीं, some videos
we
are in
can't.
English. हाँ बोलो.
Some videos are in English. If we can't understand that thing, so the use of TV is useless. Listen, that's it, sir. At the last, I want to say, listening is very important in our life and daily life.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. ऐसे फोकस किया कर बेटा, बस हर चीज के ऊपर तब आता है बेटा मजा, है ना. हाँ, और ध्यान से थोड़ा सा. यस, कम ऑन. काजल है इसके बाद. क्या क्या लिख देते हैं बीच बीच में, पता नहीं है, कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ मैं. काजल.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is listening. You all know that listening is very important for speaking, and listening is very important, and without listening we can't speak properly, and with the help of listening we can correct our pronunciation and also improve our vocabulary, and listening is very important part of learning any language, and listening is very important, and listen or we should listen or speaking daily, because we if we listen or speaking, we can know that we how we improve our
How can we
speaking,
improve?
and
How can we improve?
how can we improve our speaking, and listening is very important part of speaking, and with the and if we listen carefully we can improve our vocabulary, and we can get much knowledge, and we can improve ourselves, and listening is help us
Is क्यों?
help
अगल listening helps us.
sorry sir
हाँ.
listening helps us for how to speak properly, and many words which we can see that many words are very difficult, and we can't speak them properly, and if we listen carefully we can know that how to speak that word properly, and we can correct that word, uh, and listening is very important. We should listen carefully. If we listen news, and if we listen many English stories, we can improve our vocabulary, and we should listen many things by which we can improve ourselves, and as we all know that a good listener can be a good speaker. So we should focus. We during listening we should focus, and we should carefully, and
We should be careful.
we should be careful, and when or sir listen us any paragraph, so we should listen it carefully, and we should be focused, and by the and if we listen carefully any paragraph, so carefully any paragraph we can improve ourselves, and as we all know that we should not any person, no one is perfect in this world, and we should try to listening is moving us how to make us towards perfect. Listening is sorry sir. Listening is very important, and listening is moving us towards perfectness, and we should do our best, and that's it sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करना है अपने को, है ना. बाकी सब एवरीथिंग इज वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप. शाबाश बेटा. सिमरन.
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ.
Hey everyone, good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about listening. Listening is very important for every person, especially for students. Because if we listen carefully, any lecture, when our teacher teach to us teach us a subject, when we listen carefully, when we complete almost our chapter, and listening is very important, because when we listen carefully, when we improve our vocabulary. Okay, sir. We improve our vocabulary, and we boost vocabulary, and we improve our pronunciation.
शाबाश शाबाश. घबराए मत, होएगा धीरे धीरे सब ठीक हो जाएगा. बोल.
We listen carefully when we speak carefully, because we want to become a good speaker.
If we want to become.
Okay, sir. If we want to become a good speaker, when we first of all,
if I know that
we listen carefully everything. So we should listen everything when we improve our listening power, and we should watch English podcast and English stories, when we improve our knowledge, and our our speaking skill, and when we read newspaper, but we improve only through it our reading, but when we listen carefully, when we improve our listening, and when we automatically improve our um,
बोल बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा.
sir, and um, uh, uh, yes, sir. In future, any suppose any you RS and UPS, RPSC and UPSC aspirant,
बहुत बढ़िया.
you should sorry, you will go any interview when your listening skill, yeah, listening power is good, when you will give answer easily any when the in the interview in sir, सुनने वालों को क्या बोलेंगे?
सुनने वाला लिसनर,
नहीं, जो
इंटरव्यू ले रहा है वो इंटरव्यूअर.
So when interviewer ask any question to us, we listen carefully. Anything when we give answer, our answer correctly and pure, because in this time we improve our listening power, especially children and students. In future, it is very important for our career.
It will be very
and
important.
we should get easily any job.
Easy,
बोल. Okay, sir, that's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. ये चाहिए था मेरे को तेरे से यार. मतलब ना, स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश, जो मन में है वो बोलना है. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. अब तो गाड़ी पार हो गई. अब तो डर नहीं लगता?
नहीं सर.
अब तो ठीक है ना?
यस सर. आई एम
हाँ बेटा.
यस सर.
पक्का खुश है ना?
हाँ.
अरे अब तो मुझे भी खुशी होती है. तू अब वही, यही मेरे को चाहिए था बस, है ना बेटा? अब तो हो गया वो जो होता है ना बैरियर, एक ये एक हेयर लाइन होता है बेटा, बस ये इसको क्रॉस किया और निकल गए बस. फिर होती है ना कई बार जो चीजें, बस इतना सही होता है, बस इतना क्रॉस किया और निकल गए बस. कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी बेटा, कभी भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी बेटा.
If we listen carefully, when automatically our confidence improves.
Confidence.
Okay, sir.
मेरा बच्चा, शाबाश यार. गुड, वेरी गुड. याद विपिन बेटा, मेहनत का रिजल्ट मिलता है, हमेशा ध्यान रखना. सही डायरेक्शन में मेहनत करोगे तो रिजल्ट जरूर मिलेगा बेटा. यस विपिन, पधारो प्रभु. बोल बेटा.
Hello everyone, today my topic name is importance of listening. Listening is very important in our life. As you know, 4 stages of English: first listening, second reading, third speaking, fourth writing. Listening builds your skills, knowledge, and vocabulary. It helps you catch details. It helps you catch details that leads to better decisions. long listening cannot focus in speaking and English. Listening helps us how to speak properly. That's it.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं थोड़ी सी कोशिश करता हूँ बेटा, है ना। हाँ, सुनाकर बेटा सब लोगों को ध्यान से, है ना। आ जाएगा कंटेंट्स और बढ़ जाएंगे बेटा, बाकी बोलना बहुत अच्छा है तेरा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। नाउ वी आर अबाउट टू एंड दिस सेशन। टेक केयर।